morning to all traders. FX majors day to day. We're going to look at pound and also euro dollar. Pound was boosted yesterday following Nigel Farage's comments that he's not really going to contest conservatives. At the same time, the UK was seen really slipping away very close from a recession with the GDP figures yesterday. Today, we are expecting the jobs data for the UK, so we can't really not look into the pound. And on the other side, euro dollar was a little bit supported yesterday, I would say, because of weaker dollar in general, following Mr. Trump's statement that he has not agreed to a rollback on tariffs. So since we are also expecting this EU economic sentiment indicator for Germany and both the euro area, a very good opportunity to look at euro dollar as well. But I want to start, of course, with the pound. As you can see, prices are moving still as expected. Our projections were looking at this as wave one, wave two. We are in the, we've done wave three as well, minor, and we are actually going down to complete wave four. And then that will be, then we will get wave five, and then we will get the intermediate wave three completion. Now, within this wave, wave four, we had this very good upside move yesterday. This created some sort of bias on the MACD histogram, okay? But we see that on the RSI and also the MACD lines are still not showing any signs of some sort of weakness or over extension. So I assume, although we had a good bounce over here, five waves up, then two up, we had this another 5 waves down. That could be called really a truncated zigzag over here. I'm still expecting this to move a little bit lower, okay? But before that happens, and the case could be that this is actually ending up being a descending channel, okay? The case could be that we're going to have another move up for the RSI and also for the MACD, and this is going to create also two additional signals for the bearish sides, right? And this could actually see an end right here where prices will be lower than this previous high, and the RSI and MACD will move higher, creating a nice divergence signal. And then we're looking for prices to move lower, because I do really believe that we're going to get the 127 at least, okay? But in the short term, maybe even intraday scenario, we're looking at prices to heading up all the way to take out break-even stops on this sort of descending channel trend line. Now on euro dollar, dollar is also moving as projected. Now this is how I see it, right? So we're looking at the dollar going up. We talked about 1, 2, 3, and we are now wave 4, right? We're expecting the ABC formation to end. I was expecting this to be, let me just change that. I was expecting this to be, 1 second. I was expecting this to be A, B, and C, right? But since we got this rejection up here and we turned lower, then this became an A, B, and C. And here's how I see this now. We've had wave A, right? And within this wave A, wave B is another ABC, which to me seems to be like a 5 wave to the upside. And then this is an open triangle sort of pattern with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ending there, A, B, C, D, E pretty much, right? So if we go a little bit close, we can see that we have A, and then we have A, B, C, D, E, a very short move truncated up here. This is where B ended, and then we went for 1, 2, 3, 4, and I am seeing another wave 5 to push prices down below the 110 to take out break-even stops at this high, which is also the 61.8 extension, retracement, sorry, of this last move to the upside. And from here is where we can start seeing prices moving up. Now, we've seen these, both the RSI and the MACD actually showing bullish biases, and that's why I believe that we're going to have another throwback false break down to the downside without these signals being invalidated, and then we should start looking really for prices to move up.